Lentela izophinde yenyuswe futhi ngonyaka ozayo igcine isingu-16 wamaphesenti.
To raise the revenue needed, the government proposes to increase the VAT rate by half a percentage point in 25-26 and by another half a percentage point in the following year.
Izokwenyuka ngo-R130 imali yempesheni, yenyuke ngo-R30 imali yesibonelelo sezingane, okusho ukuthi izoba ngu-560 ngenyanga, kanti yenyuke ngo-R70 imali yezintandane. Imali yesibonelelo sabangasebenzi u-350 izoqhubeka kuze kube undasa wonyaka ozayo.
Social grants are allocated 284.7 billion rand in 25-26. This allows us to increase the old age grant, disability grant by 130 rand.
Umbutho wezokuvikela neminyango yezokuphepha kwezwe yabelwe u-9.4 billion amarandi. Umnyango wezempilo wabelwe imali engu-28.9 billion. Imali yomnyango wezemfundo izokwengezwa ngo-19.1 billion ukuze kugcineke izikhala zothisha ezikhona.
Health spending will grow from 277 billion in 24-25 to 329 billion in 27-28 to support equitable provision of public health services.
Ikani likabhiya lizokwenyuka ngo-16 cents, ibhodlela lewayini lenyuke ngo-48 cents, ugologo uzokwenyuka ngo-5.97 rand, iphakethe likagwayi lenyuke ngo-1.04 cents, isigazu senyuke ngo-50 cents, kuthi ivape yona yenyuke ngo-14 cents. Uhulumeni uzochitha u-1 trillion wamarandi kungqalasizinda yezwe, njengoba u-402 billion uzoya kwezokuthutha, u-219 billion uye kwezamandla, u-156.3 billion uye kwezamanzi nenhlanzeko, kanti u-100 billion uzoya kwezokuthuthukiswa kwemigwaqo ngaphansi kwe-SANRAL. Ayiguqulwanga intela ekhokhelwa upetrol nodizili, kepha ithe ukwenyuka intela yokungcoliseka komoya i-petrol carbon tax njengoba ibekwe ku-3 cents. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi izosuka ku-11 cents iye ku-14 cents ilitha, kanti ekadizili yona inyuke ngo-17 cents isuka ku-14 cents. Intela yopetrol yona isazohlala ku-3.58 cents. Ekadizili ibe ngu-3.70 cents, kuthi eyesikhwama sezingozi zomgwaqo i-RAF ihlale ingaguquliwe ku-2.18 cents ngelitha likapetrol nodizili oletha emotweni.